Tea without the essence of down becomes ordinary tea drinking. When we incorporate down, then drinking tea is elevated to tea tasting. There are many ways to brew tea. Any brewing style brings out something interesting, and the tea tools that we use to brew tea has a profound influence on its flavor and aroma. Today, we are going to brew Yunnan big leaf black tea. Before we start, let's familiarize with the tea set. A glass Guiwan is the brewing vessel. The tea basin, which is used to hold discarded tea leaves and tea water. The tea pitcher, we also call it the thermos cup, is used to hold freshly brewed tea. The tea scoop, which is used to measure out the amount of tea leaves we need, and also to appreciate the dry leaves before brewing tea. For your own exploration of the taste of tea, it's worth to try brewing the same tea in different types of teaware. Pay attention to what quality of your brewing vessel affect your tea. If you are interested in different types of teaware, check out the link in description down below.